Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create anchor links in Squarespace 7.1 using the Fluid engine. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have clickable text on your page that smoothly scrolls visitors right to the exact section you want, whether it's your donation form, event info, or anything else. Anchor links are a smart way to guide your audience, boost navigation, and make your pages feel way more professional and user-friendly. Let's jump right in and get your Squarespace site working even harder for you. First things first, head over to your Squarespace dashboard and log in. You'll want to be inside the site you want to edit. Once you're in, go ahead and click Edit at the top. This opens up your site's editing tools. If you're brand new to this, don't worry. Edit mode is where all the customization happens, and you can always undo any changes, so feel free to explore. Now, scroll down your page until you get to the section where you want visitors to land when they click your anchor link. Imagine this like setting a destination for a shortcut. Maybe you want donors to reach the donation form or send people directly to your contact info. Once you're looking at that section, hover over it and then click Edit Section. This will bring up the design settings for that specific spot. Inside the section editor, look for the settings or design area and scroll down until you find something that says Anchor Link. Sometimes it's tucked away a bit further down, so take your time and don't worry if you have to hunt for it. Squarespace likes to keep things clean, but it's all there. Once you find the Anchor Link box, this is where you get to name your anchor. It's best to keep this name short, simple, and memorable. For example, if you're linking to a donation area, just call it Donations. Type that in the box. Remember, this name will be part of the URL, so avoid spaces or funky symbols. After you've given your anchor a name, Squarespace instantly generates a link for you. You'll see the anchor link available, and it'll look something like Hatched Donations. Copy this anchor link. This is like grabbing the address for your shortcut destination. Now, scroll back up to the top of your page. This is where you want to place the clickable text that will send your visitors down to that specific section. Add a new block by clicking Add Block, then choose Text. In the text box, type something clear and inviting, like Donate Here. You can get creative with your wording. Just make sure it's obvious what the button does. To make it really stand out, enlarge the text by selecting it and using the sizing options. Bold, headline styles, or bright colors can help catch your visitor's eye. Next, highlight your clickable text. With the text selected, look for the link tool. Often it's a little chain icon. Click that, and in the URL box that appears, paste your anchor link. For example, Donations. Hit Save, and your anchor link is now set. Don't worry if this step takes a few moments, especially if Squarespace asks you to confirm. Just be patient. To make sure everything works, exit back to the main preview and click your new Donate Here link. If you've done it right, your page should scroll smoothly down to the donation section. If not, double-check that your anchor name matches the link exactly. Even a small typo can break the shortcut. Congratulations, you're all set. Anchor links make your Squarespace site smoother and much easier to navigate, perfect for guiding your visitors right where you want them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need more tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more Squarespace how-tos. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.